Today, you will learn how to add header in Word only on the first page. To begin, go to the first page of your document. Now double-click at the very top of the page. This will open the header area. Look at the Header and Footer tab that appears on the ribbon. In this tab, find the option called Different First Page. Simply click the checkbox next to Different First Page. As soon as you enable this option, Word treats the first page separately from the rest of the document. This means anything you place in the first page header will only appear on page 1 and will not appear on pages 2, 3, or any other pages in the document. Once the header area is open, you can type any text you want. For example, you can type your document title, your name, your company name, or any information you want to display at the top of the first page. Now, click anywhere outside the header area or press the Close Header and Footer button. Scroll down through your document and you will notice that the header appears only on the first page, while the remaining pages have no header. If you already have a header showing on every page and want to keep it only on the first page, you can still use the same method. Open the header area, check the Different First Page option, and then make sure your desired header content is placed in the first page header section. The other pages can remain blank if you do not want any header there. This feature works similarly for footers. A common mistake beginners make is typing text at the top of the page instead of inside the actual header area. If the text is not in the header section, it will behave like normal text and may not give the desired result. Always make sure you are editing the header area before adding your content. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel.